Everybody, it's Brian, physical therapist, and today I'm going to show you a half plank. So a half plank is a nice start to stability exercises for your core, all right? And it's a little bit easier to start there if you haven't done these before, because a full plank's a little more of a challenge, but this is a good start, and if you can tolerate the half plank, you can easily progress to the full plank. So if I'm going to plank, this would be a right-sided half plank. I'm going to keep my knees in a bent position, and I'm going to get my elbow kind of in a right angle and right below my shoulder. I'm going to put my left hand kind of on my hip to kind of guide myself, and then my knees are just going to come up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to push down with my right forearm and elbow to push myself up, and then I'm just going to hold in a nice kind of parallel position my half plank. So it kind of looks like this. You want to make sure you're coming straight up, so you're going to go like this and push your hips up. Keep your head kind of parallel, and then you're going to come back down. So it's like you're pushing your hip forward, and then you're lifting, and then pushing through your elbow. You're not just doing this or doing this. You want your torso basically almost like a levitation. You're just coming up off the table, but you're maintaining this nice angle. Okay, so it's coming up, push up, hold, and you hold as long as you can. Maybe for now you just hold it, and then you come back to the start position. And as you get better, you're going to hold for, however many seconds you can. And just kind of compare that, and we'll see how you do on the other side. Okay, so for the left side plank, I'm going to lay on my left side. And I'm going to kind of keep my knees bent up again, my feet touching. Right angle between the elbow and the shoulder. My elbow is kind of right under my shoulder. And I'm just, I'm going to push through my forearm and my hand. So I can either do a fist or an open hand, whatever's comfortable. Typically a fist is a little bit easier, you can get a little better anchor off of there. And then your right hand's going to go on your hip. And then when I have plank, I'm going to push up through my arm. I'm going to push my hip forward, and then I'm just going to hold that position. And then as I come down, I'm just going to kind of sit back a little bit, because I want to maintain this posture. I don't want to rotate anything. I want to push forward, lift, and then just hold, and then come back again. And again, you want to start with just doing a couple, make sure you're okay, and then see if you're able to hold for a few seconds. As you get better, you're going to hold a lot longer, and it's going to get a lot easier.